To connect Xcode to ChatGPT, make sure you've got Xcode open, go up to Xcode in the top left menu, go into Settings, and then you want to go into Intelligence, and then where it says Codex Open API, press the Get button, install, and it will start downloading the file. And once you get a little tick, you can close this, sign into your ChatGPT account. I click on here, sign in with ChatGPT. And if it wants you to open a browser, press continue. And then just sign in as you would normally. Press continue. And now you can close this browser page and you should be signed in. As you can see now, it's set to model default. You can adjust it here. So I'd probably go with the latest 5.3 model or whatever's newer at the time when you do this. And it's now connected. And to open the chat, you click on this little star symbol up here, and then we can click on this, and then you can choose whichever model you want. I've got Claude installed as well, or you can go to Codex, which will let you use ChatGPT, and then down here in the message box, just type in what you want it to code, and it'll get on with it.